Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for February 3rd, 2021. So if you look at the Dow, it tried to push it back up. So the next resistance zone, we're waiting for them over here. So today, right now, the market is still bullish, so we'll stick with the upside. For the Russell 2000 small cap stock, it also put it back up strong, but they hit right into the sell zone. So let's see that they're able to put it back up, or they have to pull back and get some momentum and wait for some good news before they can punch to this area and continue to the upside. The Nasdaq, it also put it back to the area here. Like if you watched my video yesterday, but they get a problem to punch through it, so they pull back down. So again, so if they pull back down, then we watch out for the support here. So if they cannot go through here, they have to build some more momentum before they can continue to the upside. The spider it also hit to the sell zone, couldn't go through it. So right now they are stuck in here. So as long as they don't go low, okay, the market will still find a way sideways correction, and then they will find a way to put it up also. So the market is a little bit in the Taiwan choppy correction mode, but overall trend is still bullish, so we will stick with the bull side until they be able to find a way to put it higher. The semiconductor are losing momentum today when they hit back to the resistance, and then they pull it back down. So let's see if they can hold up, or they have to pull it back down to build up some momentum, because this one they run up very fast already. So let's see how they are doing. If they come back down, then we will looking for more downside on the semiconductor. But if they turn around, it means that they still have room to put it to the upside. If you look at the XLRE, the real estate sector, it still hold up pretty tight up and down, but they still hold up to the upside. A lot of stock in this sector is still in the sideways, but it's still in the uptrend right there. That's the Toll Brother, KBH, which is those stock that we analyze on the weekly market forecast. They go up, they go sideways, so they're not going down. So they go up, they're making a flat pattern here until they're able to break out again. MHO, that's another one. Okay, they try to push it back up also. So a lot of stock, in the all-time high. So we have to be careful also. The biotech sector is still doing well. They do try to push it back up, and EM, a couple of stocks that we can see here, they are all-time high, but they hang out on the top there. So let's see if they're able to get some more momentum and push it up. GS, I think healthcare and they're still doing pretty well at this moment, because they we need it right now. So Sky, SOLX, the vaccine testing, the company, they still hold on very well. And this is important, the one that Moderna, one of the key vaccine. This one is yesterday I told you they turn around. Today they go up, for 5%. And a lot of big cap stock is still sideways. Okay, Microsoft, let's still try to push it up to the upside. And another stock that we highlight is the Boeing, after they get into the buy zone, and then they try to turn around. Okay, so another rubber up on a lot of big cap stocks like Amazon. As you can see, they are now good record earning, but the top coming down, we're going to hit right into the sell zone. So it doesn't matter how good the news is. If you know how to define the sell zone, you see that the matter of the market that make a record earning, they still going down. Okay, and CMG, another one. Okay, they good earning, but they still going down. That's why if you buy the stock before the earning, it doesn't matter how good the earning is, the chart, they will follow the technical analysis. If you don't understand how to read the chart, and then you buy it, you think it's good, but it's no good. So that's why you have to be careful. So that's why you should invest, in your education. You have to understand how to read the chart, so that you know when to buy, when to sell, so that you can make money. Because trading is a risky business. If you don't know how to read the chart, then you can you just buy because you think that it's good. You will lose all your money. All right, so if you are in our live day trading room, at our live trading room every day, we analyze the chart. So we help our member to take a quick trade on the first 1 hour to get some quick income for daily. So today, when the market open, we know right up our top that the market had already hit the resistance, so they will come down. So we take a first short here, okay, and I'm able to guide the people on the downside, so that the 20 point again in the first hour, that is $1,000 per 1 ES contract, and then the market turn around. After I close the room, I jump in and put another trade there to make a quick money for myself. That will be net profit will be $1,562. So that's done for the day, and then you go and do something else. So beside the day trading, I analyze hundreds of stock with a lot of good stock that our members, they do their own research, they bring up to the room, and we discuss together and we help each other so that we can make money together. So we can look at a lot of stocks for wing trade, so that we know when it's supposed to get in and when it's supposed to get out. So that's what we do every day in our expert live trading room. So if you would like to learn how to trade, how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart correctly by using modern technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. Again, thank you for watching, and remember, always give me a thumb up. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you next day.